Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for dropping by, I really do appreciate it, and welcome to a card making tutorial. This is a simple card we're making. It's a birthday card, maybe more for a man in your life, and it just uses all of the new Take to the Skies Adventurous Sky bundle from the catalogue from the new catalogue from Stampin Up. So let me show you how I made this fun card. Okay, set that aside out of harm's way, and first we are going to make up our plane. I'm just going to clean off my silicone sheet because I seem to have got some Luca Stella still on it. Okay, and here is our pieces for our plane that I've already cut out. So I've cut out here this piece out of Misty Moonlight, and the fuselage is cut out here out of Smoky Slate. And I'll show you the dies. These are the dies, they're the Adventurous Sky dies, so I used that die and that one there. Okay, so now we're just going to stick one to the other, and I'm just getting rid of any bits that need to be popped out still. Okay, and we're just going to stick one down to the other, just like that, so you can see you don't need a lot of glue. So let's put some glue down. Just trying to catch as much of it I can, but really you don't want much glue. You don't want it to splodge out if at all possible. And then this is all like the silicone sheet, so if there is any mess, it captures it. There we go, just like that. And then we're going to just put our final bits on here. Whoops, just going to use tweezers. Couldn't see the wood for the trees just then. Put a bit of glue on, it's a bit much glue, and then just going to put one propeller on like this. I think this time I'm just going to use the one. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside to dry, and then we'll work on the rest of our card. So let's do our stamping. We're going to stamp in copper clay ink, and this is a matching stamp set called Adventurous Skies, and we're just going to use some of these sentiments, but on these planes, gorgeous as well. Okay, so doesn't matter what order we stamp in, because we are going to cut out using our trimmer. So it is useful if you can keep things straight. So you are the best, plain and simple. And then we're going to have happy birthday, and then the last bit is going to be, I'll do it up here, to my friend. Okay, so let's move all of those bits out of harm's way, and then bring in our trimmer quickly, and I'm just going to cut all of these up quickly. So off camera I just trimmed everything up, so you can see there with the trimmer those are done. So let's start to assemble our card. Our card base is thick basic white, and it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I have a piece of the Designer Series paper here that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. But don't worry, all these measurements will be on the blog post on my website, so you can find the links to that and all my social media links in the description box below. And I love this little matte paper, it's just gorgeous. So let's stick this down here. And then I've used the same paper here, just the reverse side. And this is just going to give us a little interest where our sentiment is. I'm trying to use up some of my old fast fuse, so excuse me fighting with it. I haven't used it for ages, so it's not the best anymore, having sat there for so long, but I'm determined to use it all up. Also, fast fuse is super sticky, so when you have a tendency to stick things to yourself as well, that doesn't help. I wouldn't normally use fast fuse on a project like this, but as I said, I have a stack of it and I just want to get it used up. I'm sure you're the same. You've got something in your craft room that you don't want to get chucked away. You spent money on it, but you just want to use it. So that's where we are with that. So here is our plane, and we're going to put this somewhere around there, and I'm going to pop this up on some dimensionals. So I'm going to get up my dimensionals and find some here, and just going to pop a few along here, and then going to just do some here on the little wheels as well. And yeah, one sheet of dimensionals finished up. I always like that when I know I've finished up a whole sheet, used everything up. It's a good feeling. Okay, and I think that's going to be enough, so let's take the backings off all these things. Okay, and if you're enjoying this video, I'd be ever so grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so that you'll always be notified of my videos. I post 3 times a week to YouTube, so there's plenty of content going out there, so if you don't want to miss a thing, remember to subscribe. So there we go, put down our plane. I like that. Get rid of these backings. I don't know about you, but these backings seem to migrate around the house. Never stay in the bin. They always make a bid for freedom. Okay, so our sentiments are also going to get popped up. So where's my scissors? I'm going to use some of my edges to do this. Edges are fabulous. Don't not use them. If you don't use your edges, I will come back to haunt you. They are great dimension, don't waste them. So, and the fabulous thing about edges is that there are much less backings to peel off. So as far as I'm concerned, that's a win-win situation. You use up what you got and not so many backings to fiddle with. Perfect for me. So this is going to be happy birthday. So let's put this down here. So he's taxiing into happy birthday. And then you're the best. Plain and simple. I'm going to go for roughly around here again. And then this one will go up here. To my friend. I love that. To my friend, you're the best. Plain and simple. Happy birthday. Isn't that cute? I think it's cute. Okay, so there you go. There are your cards. If you see my previous video, you saw I added Wink of Stella. Clear Wink of Stella to the fuselage. You could do that again here if you wanted to. I haven't. But I really hope you enjoyed the videos, and don't forget to subscribe, and all the information I said is on the blog post. So all I have to say is thank you so much for being with me today, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.